Okay, next I want to show you something I think you're really going to like. If you liked how you got the sound of the harmonics in the previous lesson, then you're going to want to check this out. What we're going to do is apply the same type of sound, the same technique, but we're going to do it with just our picking hand. Now here's what we need to do. What we want to do now is place the pick between your thumb and second finger. Because what it's going to do is it's going to pluck the strings, but your first finger is going to actually make contact at that node point on the string. So what we'll do here is go to the 6th string, place your first finger right above the 12th fret here, touching directly above the fret, and then what you'll do is you'll just flick your wrist here and play the harmonic with the pick. Now this is a very strange technique at first. In fact, you're going to want to try to pluck with your first finger. Sometimes you're going to want to just kind of move your whole hand. It takes a little bit of sensitivity and a bit of practice in order to move your hand in the right motion. It helps if you keep your first finger extended. Keep it straight, and then keep your pick further away from the node point. It kind of keeps you more accurate on the string. And then what you would do here is just simply play down your strings. And of course you can practice those in any order that you want, but try to be as accurate as you can while placing your finger at the correct node point, in this case the 12th fret, and also keeping the thumb and the second finger on the pick in the same location as well. That way the pick doesn't move around too much in your fingers. That's real important also. So now what we can do with this technique is place your fingers anywhere on the guitar, and if we practice placing our first finger exactly 12 frets higher from the note that we're holding down with our left hand, then we can produce a harmonic. So in this case what we'll do is we'll practice playing on the first string at the 3rd fret, and if you go 12 frets higher, 12 plus 3 is 15. So you have to go to your 15th fret and play your harmonic. And then you can go ahead and you can play finger gymnastics just by playing 12 frets higher on each one. So for the first note here, I'm at the 15th fret, then I go to the 16th, 17th, 18th, back to 17, 16, and then finally 15. And by doing this over and over again, you'll develop the accuracy, the sensitivity, and the touch in order to play these harmonics anywhere you want. The next thing I want to show you here is how you can practice playing this in a scale context. So what we'll do here is grab a C major scale. Of course, this C major scale is just going to be back here in zone 2. But what we're going to do now is we're going to trace those notes 12 frets higher. So here again, I'm starting at the 3rd fret, so I'll be the 15th fret on the 5th string. And then of course I move my pinky out to the 5th fret, so that would be the 17th. And I keep going in this fashion here. So now I'm back here at the 14th, 15, 17, 14, 16, 17. You can play right through a scale this way. So practice this on all of your scales, all of your finger gymnastics, anything you want. Just remember, go 12 frets higher and you'll be able to achieve this sound. Have fun.